Imagine waking up one day and realizing you've wasted years doing things that don't matter. Scary, right? The truth is, time is the most valuable thing we have, yet many of us don't use it wisely. So, how do you use time the right way? Let me show you. 1. Value every second. Time is like money, you can either spend it on things that make you richer or waste it on things that leave you broke. Every second that passes is gone forever. Ask yourself, am I spending my time on things that truly matter? 2. Focus on what matters. Most people waste time on things that don't add value to their lives, endless scrolling, meaningless arguments, or worrying about things they can't change. Instead, focus on learning new skills, building strong relationships, taking care of your health, and working toward your dreams. 3. Stop procrastinating. Procrastination is a thief. It steals your future, one lazy moment at a time. The best way to beat it is to start small. If a task seems big, break it down. Just do one thing right now. Action creates momentum, and momentum creates success. 4. Plan your days. Successful people don't find time, they make time. Every morning, ask yourself, what's the most important thing I need to do today? What will bring me closer to my goals? Then, do those things first. Don't let distractions steal your time. 5. Live in the present. Many people waste time either regretting the past or worrying about the future. But the only time you truly have is now. Make the most of it. Appreciate the little moments. Be present. Your time is your life. Every wasted hour is a part of your life you'll never get back. Use it wisely. Because in the end, time doesn't wait for anyone. So, how will you use your time today?